Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to delete your pictures on Tinder. So to do this you have just to go to Tinder, open the app, and after that go and click on profile on the bottom right of the screen, and after that go and click on edit profile on the top of the screen. And after that, go to the picture that you want to delete and click on the X icon on the top right of the picture. And after that, click on delete. And as you can see, the picture is deleted. After that, click on that black icon on the top right of the screen. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next video.